Okay, to solve this problem, the first thing we want to do is we want to simplify everything. So first on the left, then on the right. Or you can kind of do them at the same time. So first thing we're going to do is distribute this 2 into both. So we'll have 2 times x is 2x, minus 2 times 5, or 10, minus 4x, and then equals, we have 5 minus 3, which is actually 2. Okay, next we want to combine like terms on the same side. Now it might be tempting to add 4x to 2x, but we can't do that. We've got to keep this equation balanced. You can draw the line if you want to remember it's got to be balanced on each side. But what you can do is just combine the terms as is. So 2x plus a negative 4x, which gives us a negative 2x, still minus 10, equals 2. Okay, we want to continue to isolate the x, so add 10 to both sides. Notice how I'm keeping it balanced on each side, add a 10 to each of those. Those cancel, I get negative 2x equals 12. I've got to divide by that negative 2 to each term. And so 12 divided by negative 2, I'll get x equals negative 6. So make sure you're taking time, give yourself space to write it out, and then watch when you're combining like terms on the same side.